This dance is called Love Potion 666. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Then shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping right forward, left beside right, stepping that right forward. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right. Shuffle half a turn over your left shoulder, 1 and 2 count timing steps again. Stepping quarter turn to the left, you step that left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. That set of steps once more then. Walks into that shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Into a similar set of steps now. So you're going to walk forward 2 steps, right, left, shuffle forward on that right again, right, close, right, rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on that right. And this time we're going to do a coaster step. So again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, stepping that left forward. That set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Let's add those 2 sections together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. You're going into a modified rumba box. So we're going to actually put shuffles in this rumba box. So you're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, shuffle forward your 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right forward, left beside right, right forward. Step the left to the side, right beside left, shuffle back on that left, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, stepping that left back again. That set of steps once more then, side close shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. You're going to walk back 2 steps, right, left, into a right-footed coaster step. So you step back on that right, left beside right, step that right forward. So your 1 and 2 count timing steps. You're then going to stomp the left forward and bounce that left heel 3 times. So you're basically tapping that heel down 3 times. That set of steps once more then. Walking back on that right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, back, back, coaster step, stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. Now we have got a few and counts in with those shuffles, so I'll now go through the dance with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, bounce. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side, close, right shuffle, side, close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, bounce. So I hope you managed to follow that. That is your dance, your walkthrough. All that's left is to give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, back. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, back. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, back. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Side close, right shuffle, side close, back shuffle. Back, back, coaster step, stop, bounce, bounce, back. Walk. Walk. Rumba. Back. Walk. Walk. Rumba. Back. Walk. Walk. Rumba. Walk. Walk. Rumba. Back. Hope you managed that one.